Not at this point. I mean, I can't make an offer next setting, Judge. It's a little bit more complicated than the average.
Okay. All right. I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
All right. Probation, there's an application in this case. Court is calling 2023 CR 3937, State of Texas versus Roxana Bernal. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Orlando Ways for the defense, Judge.
Are you Roxanne Bernal?
Yes.
Defense, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor, and I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Bernal, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Bernal, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine. State recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours community service restitution, and the DOEP course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Fine.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, I submit States Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
And no objections, Your Honor, for
Right.
purposes of the plea.
Thank you. Your excuse, showing you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes. Ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that the court follow the recommendation, Your Honor, and grant your deferred adjudication.
All right, do you have any children? What are their ages?
I just had a newborn. He's 4 months. And then I have a 5, a 7, a 9, 11, and 13.
So newborn, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you employed?
Not at this moment. I'm looking forward.
Just 1 moment off the record. Let them know, because I realize how hot it is out there because it's hot in here. All right. Yes, thank you. All right, we're back on the record. Are you employed?
Not at the moment.
Are your children living with you?
With my mom.
Child Protection Services involved?
With my newborn, not my mom has the other.
So does your mother have custody of the 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13-year-old? Were your rights terminated?
No, they weren't terminated. I just have partial custody.
Was Child Protective Service involved in the 5, 7, 9, 11, and
Yes.
13-year-old? When you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And you need to be honest with me because I'm trying to figure out if you can be helped or not on probation.
Negative.
All right, when's the last time you used drugs?
February the 6th.
All right, we're going to do a drug test today.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and this is just a side note, why do you continue to have children knowing that you don't have custody of any of your children and that you have an issue?
I'm not sure.
You're going to have to find out because this is where we're at. In your life, you have all these children. You don't have custody of any of them. You're not employed, and you say you're living with your mom?
No, I'm not living.
Who are you living with?
I just live at a hotel. It's a hotel.
How are you paying for that?
I do side like when I go to labor ready and stuff like that, but nothing something like every day, no.
All right, hotel to hotel is not going to be stable for your children.
I understand.
And Child Protective Services is not going to give you your children back if you're living from hotel to hotel.
I understand.
But if your decision is you have no plans to do what you need to do, then don't disrupt your children's lives. Don't keep coming back in their life, disappointing them.
I understand.
And now you know for sure how children are made and where they come from. So you're not ready to have children, you understand? And did you receive a CPS plan from CPS?
Yeah.
Who is your CPS attorney?
I don't know.
I'm just asking, these are things that you should know because that case should, other than this case, that case should be one of the most important cases in your life because it's involving your newborn.
Well, I have it, but it's on my phone.
Okay. All right. Anything you want to add, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
So this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. If she completes what she needs to complete for CPS, of course, she can always come back and ask for early termination. But that's going to be 3 years deferred adjudication, a $500 fine that will be probated, CPS compliance, and probation. If you can look and see whether or not CPS has her in their treatment program. If they do not, we're going to do a referral to felony drug court because there was more than morphine in that vehicle. Referral to felony drug court. If felony drug court does not accept her, we're going to do a TAP evaluation, follow TAP recommendations. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment. Is there a reason why you're not able to get employment?
Just because I'm doing the classes and stuff that they asked me to, so, I'm just following up with that.
All right. How far did you go in school?
I graduated.
Okay. All right. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. What do you want to do with the rest of your life, career-wise?
Well, I was going to school in the county, but when I had, my twins, one passed.
I'm sorry to hear that. So what are your plans now?
I want to go back to school.
Okay. All right. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to want parenting classes. And if CPS, which they should be giving her parenting classes, that can count. And if she completes the parenting classes, I'll waive 40 hours of her community service restitution. And she's going to do trade school or either some higher level of education. If she completes that, the remaining hours will be waived. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs. We'll do a UA today to see what's going on. 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Field visits. 1 time per month until further notice. No unsupervised contact with minors. If CPS ends up allowing you to have unsupervised contact, then you can come back here in the courtroom, consider changing that. But for now, there's not to be any unsupervised contact because I know CPS tells you where to have your visits and when. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court? I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Bernal, do not be that parent who only does well when CPS is in your life or the court is in your life. If you have no intention and you know yourself better than I do, your attorney, or even better than your caseworkers of probation, if you have no intention of doing what needs to be done to have your children in your life on a permanent basis and be a permanent positive influence on them, you need to just let them go. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Ms. Bernal, is there anything else you need from the court? All right, good luck to you. Yes. Thank you. All right, are you all ready on Contreras Santos? Are you all going forward with the plea?
Yes, Your Honor. And I filed a notice of retained counsel on that matter. That was already.
Okay. All right, we are on the record. And 2023 CR 5260, State of Texas versus Arturo Contreras. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Rodriguez for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Cesar Montalvo.
And Ms. Hutland, you're here?
Your Honor, I was appointed to 10 unindicted cases. They were indicted on Thursday or Friday last week. That is apparently the plea that's moving forward this morning. So because Mr. Montalvo has been with Mr. Contreras Santos for a long time, we had discussed the case if we were going to go to trial, but since they've negotiated a plea and it was just indicted, he is putting his appearance of counsel to do the plea and move forward.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. And then counsel, even though you're just filing your notice of retained counsel today, have you actually been representing Mr. Contreras Santos in cause number 2023 CR 5260 for more than 10 days?
No, Your Honor, it's been less than 10 days, but the evidence in both cases is identical. And I have consulted with my client and he would waive those 10 days.
All right, is that correct, Mr. Santos?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Santos, had you had ample opportunity to confer with Ms. Hetland in your counsel?
Yes, yes, sir.
And Ms. Hetland, you've had an opportunity to give counsel the information that's needed for this case?
Yes, it's limited. All we had was really the indictment and the original warrant, but it is all tied to a preceding case that apparently is going to be TIC'd. That's why it's kind of jumbled. That case started in 2021. And I think Mr. Montalvo has represented him for quite some time on that case, but the evidence is all correlated and tied in together. In that case, they're proceeding on the newer indicted case.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. All right, thank you.
Okay, may I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
So counsel, in this case, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Contreras, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
I believe the state is proceeding on counts 1 through 5, Your Honor, and waiving the remaining counts.
All right. Any objection to the waiver of counts 6 through 25?
No objection.
All right, Mr. Contreras, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand your charge in counts 1 through 5 with possession of child pornography? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine in each count. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could sentence you up to 10 years in each of the counts and up to a $10,000 fine in each count? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do believe.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Contreras Santos, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Is English your first language?
Second language.
All right. Have you been able to understand all of this paperwork that's in English?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you need an interpreter?
No.
And what's your native language?
Spanish.
Counsel, did you advise your client of the consequences of pleading no contest or guilty in each of the counts in the application of federal immigration law?
Yes, Your Honor. And in fact, court appointed Miss Teresa Cole Nettles to.
Jose Avila?
Yes, Judge. And she wrote a Padilla letter for him and he has a copy of that as well.
All right. Mr. Santos, were you able to adequately confer with Ms. Teresa Coles-Davalos, your immigration attorney, as it relates to this specific case?
Yeah. Yes, yes, sir.
Were you informed of the consequences of entering a plea of no contest or guilty in each of these counts as it relates to your immigration issues?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did that advice include possible consequences such as deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States, and the denial of naturalization?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand the consequences of entering a plea in each of these counts and how it impacts your immigration status?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you believe your client understands the consequences of entering a plea in each of these counts as it relates to his immigration issues?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, the state is proceed on counts 1 through 5. Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 10 years in the prison. There's a $0 fine. State opposes your application. They will take in consideration 2022 CR 11150, and there's to be Chapter 62 compliance. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, do you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State,
It is the state's understanding, Your Honor.
showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
Count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
Count 3, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
Count 4, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
Count 5, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
State any evidence.
The state offers an evidence, State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments pending any objections.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Show you what's entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right. So what I can tell you all is there's just a moment. Oh, we have to keep it open because of the air. All right, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding to sentencing, or do you wish to have a PSI?
PSI, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Can you give me a PSI date? And I'm going to ask that it be expedited. So everyone just give me a moment. Can you mute us, please? All right, council. We're going to give you a reset date. What we'll do is we will let you know this afternoon.
Sure, Judge.
Yes, so I'm trying to get the reset date as close as possible and not have it go into September or something like that.
Understood, Your Honor.
So we will let you know this afternoon and you can let your client know. All right, so I'm just going to have the deputy, can you make sure you hold on to him? Is that possible? Till 1:30. We should know by 1:30, the date they'll be able to give us.
Right, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, as I'm covering for a colleague of mine, I believe one of the items of evidence that was admitted contained sensitive images in an envelope, so I'd just like to move to have those sealed pending the inspection by the court, of course.
Yes.
For the sentence.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else?
And lastly, I do have a number of night mag rejections. Would you like to do them now or at the time of the sentence?
We can do them at the time of the sentencing, however you all prefer to do it.
That's fine at the time of sentencing.
Okay, and then to the state, you'll need to file a motion so that the clerks will have it that you're asking that the pornography be sealed.
To seal a formal motion.
Yes.
Very good. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Great, thank you.
May we be excused, Judge?
Yes, if you can make sure you're back at 1:30 though.
Okay, I will.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
George Ibarra. George Ibarra. Miguel Rangel. Michael Durong. Joshua Mejia. All right, and counsel, you're on this side. Sorry.
Judge, we're here.
Oh, where's your client?
He's in
Judge, this is
custody,
set for
Judge.
Thursday, I believe. Is that correct?
It is set for Thursday.
Okay,
We have a
yes.
discovery compliance hearing set for Thursday, Judge, and I'm on vacation. I have a vacation letter on file.
Okay,
Was asking if we could just recall it for the following week.
all right. Do you have all the discovery?
No,
What's missing?
phone records, all the stuff I said last time. I haven't gotten.
We were here
anything.
last time on May for cell phone downloads. And it says no access.
No access. I mean, we did receive,
We're supposed to get- It's
we did, no, I mean, on the, this is Joshua Mejia and also Oscar Martinez, co-defendant. And we did receive phone records. Have you not received? the phone
No,
records?
you were supposed, I thought you were supposed to get me a disc.
Oh, I mean, we need a thumb drive, so
Okay,
that's what we need. for this.
and then there's
Okay.
supposed to be jail calls.
But the jail calls, they should have been uploaded or they haven't been. I'll check into that, Judge.
All right, and then the co-defendant statements.
Co-defendant statement?
That's what I have here.
Okay, I.
Oh, there's a
no.
question mark, which
Okay,
means,
Okay.
are there co-defendant statements?
Not that I'm aware of, Judge, because I don't believe they were actually interviewed. Or they refused, rather.
All right.
And I'll make sure of that also.
All right, and state, are you prepared to make an offer or no?
No, and I not at this point. I can make an offer next setting, Judge. It's a little bit more complicated than the average.
Okay.
Murder.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. On Mejia, I need a 45-day reset, please.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
No, it's discovery and you all need to confer off record.
Yes, Judge.
All right, August 3rd.
Thank you, Judge. Because we do have.
And Norman, you may need this file because it wasn't on the docket today. All right, for those who are here for the jury trial, we're gonna bring you all back at 1:30, so please be here by 1:20. And we're gonna start selection right at 1:30. Robert Alvarez. Okay. David Allen Martin. And where is he? Bring him down.
It's in the box.
And counsel, you all are.
Oh, we're switched. Sorry.
Yes. No problem. All right, and are you all handling the sexual assault as well as the promotion?
Yes, Judge, I'm just here for the 705 cases, the sex assault and the, yes, the promotion challenge.
All right, and criminal trial division, I'm assuming you're going to let the sexual assault and the promotion rule the day?
I told them I would handle. this,
Oh,
Judge.
okay. Yeah, all right, thanks. All right, so where are we on these cases?
And this is our first setting, Judge, and so I did confer with defense, made sure that they've been able to view the discovery that is uploaded. There is additional discovery that, due to the nature of the offenses, cannot be uploaded, and have discussed with defense setting up a time to meet where I can make that discovery available for him to view. So we are going to set up a time where we can meet to do that, and also additionally discuss a plea bargain offer.
Yes, we would need a month or so to review everything. We should be able to resolve these cases in that time.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Can you give me a 45-day reset on David Martin? And that's going to be your plea deadline date, so you all need to do your discussion off docket.
Will
Okay.
do, Judge.
Thank you.
All right. All right, August 7th.
Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
Judge. May we be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Michael J. Jerome.
This is Mr. Sheffield's case. We previously stepped up on that just for the motion for continuance. We had no objection to it.
Okay. All right, so where is his client?
His client was present, Your Honor. I'm not sure where he was at.
All right, I think Ms. Ferguson signed the reset
I
form.
believe there was a reset form on the time.
All right, thank you. Yes. Mhm. Who's the attorney on Robert Alvarez? Is your client out? Okay.